Imagine waking up one morning. You discover an AI knows more about you than your closest friends. It knows your likes, your purchases, and your late-night searches. It even understands what makes you happy and what makes you angry. Sounds like science fiction. The truth is, we're already living in that world. Artificial intelligence is changing humanity at an unprecedented pace. It's helping doctors save lives, aiding students in learning, and enabling businesses to grow. But lurking behind these incredible promises is a darker side, one most people rarely consider. What happens when that power falls into the wrong hands? For thousands of years, human progress depended on tools. The wheel, electricity, and the internet each reshaped civilization. But AI is unique. For the first time, we are creating a tool that can think, learn, and make decisions. Today, AI can write essays, generate images, create videos, and analyze vast amounts of data within seconds. While the possibilities seem endless, every powerful technology has its downside. Every day, billions interact with smartphones and social media. What many don't realize is that AI is constantly observing. It's not through cameras, but through data. Every click, every search, every purchase is recorded, creating detailed profiles. These profiles can predict behavior before you even realize it. Convenient? Yes. But it raises concerns about who controls this technology. Previously, machines replaced physical labor. Now, AI is starting to replace mental labor. Writers, designers, and customer service agents face the risk of being replaced. History suggests that technology creates new jobs, but at a speed that current society may not be ready for. The challenge lies not in AI taking every job, but in whether we can adapt quickly enough. Imagine seeing a video of a leader making a dramatic announcement. It looks real, sounds real, but it's fake. Welcome to the age of deepfakes. As AI generates realistic images and videos, distinguishing truth from fiction grows harder. In the future, our biggest challenge may not be finding information, but recognizing what's real. One of the most pressing questions about AI is its potential to surpass human intelligence. Some believe advanced AI could solve monumental problems, while others caution against unintended consequences. The worry isn't about robots taking over, but about powerful systems pursuing unintended goals. History shows that innovations can lead to unexpected results. However, it's important to remember that AI isn't inherently a villain. It's a tool. The same technology that introduces challenges can also yield solutions. AI is aiding doctors in early disease detection, helping scientists discover new medicines and enhancing educational methods. The future of AI is not predetermined. It depends on how we choose to wield it. The reality of artificial intelligence isn't coming tomorrow, it's already here, quietly and steadily integrating into our daily lives. Most won't notice as AI transforms our world. Change will happen gradually, one decision, one algorithm, one breakthrough at a time. Every formidable technology reshapes humanity, but AI may be the first technology capable of evolving beyond our control. The question isn't whether AI will frame our future. The real question is, who will shape artificial intelligence? Join us on this journey to understand the dark side of artificial intelligence. A Quantum Velora documentary awaits you. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe for more such videos.